Hey everyone, it's been a while. Thank you for clicking on this video. I just wanted to say a couple of things before the unboxing. First off, last November I was able to send off 40 boxes, and for the first time ever, I finally heard back from one of my shoebox recipients. And it was actually the mother of one of the boys that got my soccer boxes. And she told me in the email that his favorite things in his box were his football, which I knew meant soccer, and then his football, and then his fidget spinner, and his notebook and markers. So yeah, the markers surprised me, but she told me at least 2 or 3 times in the email just how excited he was to get his shoebox. And you know, for me, I was struggling a little bit this year to get started, and getting that one email from the mother, it really helped to validate the realness of the impact that these shoeboxes can have, not only on the child that receives it, but also the mothers or different family members in the family. So yeah, she was so nice. Like I said, the markers surprised me, especially coming from an older boy, because it was for a 10 to 14-year-old boy. So I've decided that this year in most of my boxes, I'm going to send at least a couple of markers and also little notepads. I remember in his, he had a little bright neon orange notepad that I had sent. So I am going to be putting little small journals of some kind in the shoe boxes. I know for me, when I send my shoe boxes off, I've had these shoe boxes for months, and you put a lot of thought and care into them, and then you just one day send them all off and you never hear about them again. So I just wanted to say, I wanted to say all that to let you know, first of all, but also to encourage you. Sometimes it gets a little bit, it can get a little bit disheartening, especially if you've never heard from anyone before from your shoe boxes. So just keep at it, and I hope those of you out there that are, struggling maybe a little bit, or you're just really hoping and praying to hear from one of your recipients, just know that it can happen. And I hope that it does happen for you, because I know how much it helped me, and that mother has no idea how much she encouraged me. But yeah, I just wanted to let you know. So, the soccer ball, the notepad, the markers, and the spinner. So I already have 4 soccer boxes that I have done, and that video will be up shortly. But yeah, so I'm excited to start showing you my shoe boxes for 2021. And like I said, thank you for watching this video, and now we will get into the unboxing. Hey everyone, I have my very first box for 2021 for Operation Christmas Child, and I'm really excited to share it with you. Now, this bin here is a Sterilite bin, and it's about a 5-quart bin. With my toddlers, I use the smaller bins, but all of my bins, they vary in size, but I just use what I have on hand. So at the top here, this is her pencil pouch. And inside she just has some stickers there and some coloring pages. And this is a little Bo Peep theme. And here I got these stickers off of Amazon, and they have one that has a little lamb that says Good Shepherd. Another sticker sheet. She has a sharpener. She has these markers. These are Pipsqueak markers, and I really like these. They have really cute names. Like this one is Raindrop Blue, and this one here is Sweet Violet. Just gonna put those there. She has a couple of erasers, and this one has a little Bo Peep on it. And then that's her pouch. Now the little pom-poms in here, she can't get to them. They're just like little shakers, but it's really cute. And of course it says smile. And then she just has an assortment of pencils. There's some fun ones, and her colored pencils are there. This is her little notebook. I ordered this off of Amazon. Where I live, we've had a lot of lockdowns, so I have had to purchase a lot of my things through Amazon because we haven't been able to buy non-essential things in the stores. Now this is her little doll, little Bo Peep from the Toy Story movie. I ordered this from Amazon as well, and I will put links down below for everything that is from Amazon if I can. This has such great sensory to it. The back of her hat is very soft, and then there's this little organza, and then the silk dress and the lace at the bottom. But I really love this little doll. And then to complement little Bo Peep, she has her little lamb. And this is very soft as well, and I get these from Dollarama. This is her tote bag. And here she has her cup, and on the top she has a compact mirror with a brush. Even for the toddlers, I always like to send mirrors if I can. And then there's two little scrunchies, a pair of socks with the grippies, and at the bottom of her cup she just has one of these Fisher-Price toddler balls. I found a pack of 6 of these at my local thrift store, and they were brand new. The package hadn't been opened, and they were 6 for $1.50. This is her little book. I also got this from Amazon. And like I said, I'll try to put links below. And if I can, I'll even try to put Amazon links for the States as well, if I can find the American ones. But this is just a nice quality board book. On the side here, she just has a little pad of paper thing that I made with some cardstock. Inside this little sack, she has a toenail and a nail clipper, and then just picture instructions for them. This is her soap saver. Now I will put her soap in when it gets closer to the collection week. But I really like those. I used those last year. And they are also from Amazon, and they're just like made out of Sisal, which is a natural fiber, but I really like using those. Okay, here is her colored pencils. She has a lot of colored pencils. These ones have little Bo Peep on them though. And then I had this wrapped around the colored pencils. It's just an extra washcloth. Her poncho, that is toddler size with some Band-Aids. Her pencil sharpener, and there's 2 sides to this. I like to include 2, at least 2. And here is a little toy figurine of little Bo Peep. And then she has this cute car, Hot Wheels. A whistle on a string. And then she has a pair of shoes. Inside here there's just a little face scrubby. Another little figurine. This is Jessie from Toy Story. A couple pair of socks. And then in this shoe she just has 3 pair of underwear in here. And I got these shoes last year at Walmart for $3. She has a little hair bow. Her toothbrush with a silicone toothbrush holder on it. She has one of these little Etch-a-Sketches. My toddlers have shared one for a year now, and it's still in great quality. And then she has this really cute outfit that has a little Bo Peep and rainbows, so it matches her pencil pouch. And Jessie is on there as well. This was also a Walmart clearance deal that I got. And then just a little tank top to go underneath it. And that is my box for my 2 to 4 girl with a little Bo Peep theme. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you maybe learned something, and I hope you're all doing well, and thank you for watching.